Solutions, NCERT chemistry. Raoults, what we are going to see in this video is Raoults law as a special case of Henry's law. What is vapor pressure? What is lowering a vapor pressure? What is related to lowering a vapor pressure? Why vapor pressure of solution is less than that of pure solvent? Raoults law, vapor pressure of the solutions of solids in a liquid. Raoults law as a special case of Henry's law. Raoults law is the vapor pressure of the volatile component present in a solution. A vapor pressure of that solution is given by Pn is equal to x1 p1 p01. Here the vapor pressure of the solution is given by the mole fraction and vapor pressure of the pure solvent will give you the vapor pressure of the solution. And here this one is Raoults law. Henry's law is vapor pressure is given by kH into x. X is the mole fraction and kH is the Henry's constant determined experimentally. The difference between Henry's and Raoults law is in both cases it is mole fraction, and here it is the experimental quantity and here it is the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Now the kH is equal to P naught A, thereby the Henry's law, the kH is equal to the Raoults law, vapor pressure of the pure solvent. So Raoults law is a special case of Henry's law. The next what we are going to see is vapor pressure of a solution in the solids present in liquid solvent. The pure solvent and solution. The polar solvent, non-polar solvent, polar solute, non-polar solute. Polar solute dissolves well in polar solvent, non-polar solute dissolves only in non-polar solvents. What is vapor pressures? Liquid at a given temperature vaporizes under equilibrium condition. The pressure exerted by the vapor molecule over the surface of the liquid surface is called vapor pressure. Here the vapor pressure of the pure solvent, only the solvent molecule vapors are present. Now we are adding solute to the solvent, it will make it into a solution. Now here on the surface the solute and solvent molecule both are present. Because of the attractive force between the solute and solvent molecule, the attraction force between the solute and the solvent molecule, thereby the possibility of the some molecules over the surface is less in the case of solution. So the decrease in the vapor pressure when compared to the pure solvent is due to the number of molecules added into the number of molecules present in the solution. Number of molecule or concentration or the mole fraction of the solute added in the solution. So called the lowering of vapor pressure. Lowering of vapor pressure is due to the concentration of the added solute. Now we are defining the term what is lowering of vapor pressure. So the difference in the vapor pressure of the pure solvent and the solution is called lowering of vapor pressure. What is relative lowering of vapor pressure? The lowering of vapor pressure when compared to the vapor pressure of the pure solvent is called relative lowering of vapor pressure. The decrease in the vapor pressure of the pure solvent depends upon, after converting into the solution, the decrease in the vapor pressure of the pure solvent depends upon the quantity of non-volatile solute present in the solution irrespective of the nature. For example, the vapor pressure of the water by adding 1 mole of sucrose or 1 mole of urea will be the same because it depends upon the number of ion, not on the nature of ions. Next one is here the Raoults law is defined. Raoults law is the general form can be stated as for any solution the partial vapor pressure of each volatile component in the solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction. For any solution the partial vapor pressure of each volatile component in solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solution. So the vapor pressure against the mole fraction is related in Raoults law. So the vapor pressure is given by the vapor pressure is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solute present in the solution. That is Raoults proportionality. Here the proportional factor is written in the form of equation by introducing the constant P1 is equal to x1 P1. Here x1 is the mole fraction vapor pressure directly proportional to the mole fraction and also the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Now if we plot the mole fraction of the solvent against vapor pressure, it varies linearly. So relates the how the vapor pressure is related to the mole fraction. So the vapor pressure, the decrease in the vapor pressure of the solution is due to the added concentration of the solute. Because of the added solute, because of the interaction between the solute and the solvent, the vapor molecule comes out of the surface prevented, thereby decrease in the vapor pressure. So the decrease in the vapor pressure is a colligative property. It depends upon the number of ion, not on the nature of ion. So what you have seen in this video is the Raoults law as a special case of Henry's law, vapor pressure of the solutions of solid in liquid. What is vapor pressure? What is lowering of vapor pressure? What is relative lowering of vapor pressure? And the vapor pressure, the decrease of vapor pressure is a colligative property, depends upon the quantity or number of ions as solute added to that. And what is Raoults law? The vapor pressure of the each volatile component, the solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction, the equation of Raoults law, and the verification of Raoults law by plotting the vapor pressure against the mole fraction of the solvent. So the lowering of vapor pressure is a colligative property based depends upon the number of ions. Subscribe for the more videos. Thank you.